If you've ever tried to remove the brake light on a Kia Sorento, this one happens to be a 2016, there's two little bolts on the inside that you have to remove. I'll show you right here on this one. They're right in there. There's a little trap door you have to pull off right inside the rear gate, and they're just held in. You have to pull back on the light, and there's really nothing to grab. They just press in, so it's really hard to get out, and if you try to take a screwdriver you may crack it. So what I did, real simply, I got some packing tape, and I put a piece of packing tape, taped it on, and then just left a bunch extra. Now I've got a handle, so when I took the bolts out, and I just had to pull on this like it was a handle, and it pops right out. I've struggled with the other one for an hour trying to get it out without cracking it, so that might be a good little tip. Hopefully it'll help you if you try to do it.